So it's about 7:45. We're going to be doing some AI art with Midjourney this morning with middle schoolers. I don't think any of them have ever tried it before, so we're going to give that a shot. And then type in a bunch of, did you type in other stuff yet? Comma, like, and Maya is typing in some stuff to make it draw a picture. Once you type into the prompt, it'll bring up 4 images that are ideas, and then you can decide which one of those you want to upscale or do variations of. The prompt we're working with today is a Pokemon kind of offshoot with a white background, and she had one that was eating Takis, blue Takis. So these are some of the Midjourney outputs. We are submitting these to a contest called schmryptomon. Staying home with Eliza today because she's not feeling well, although I think you're feeling better, right?
Yeah.
Good. Going to get a coffee, simpatico.
Birds just pooped on a car like Mr. Bean.
Got a little flooding problem at the gym, so I'm bringing the pump down to see if that helps. Hammock test number 1, testing out the hammocks for the spring.